When you are running a team and want to hit your goals, you really need to know how to distribute tasks the right way. Honestly, working with AI agents is just like managing real people. If you want the highest quality work, you have to map out and pace your projects properly. Claude Cowork operates the exact same way. It is an incredibly powerful coworker to have by your side, but only if you know how to manage it. So we are showing you how to delegate and schedule tasks in Claude Cowork and get the best out of it. Before getting started, we need to understand how to get Claude Cowork ready to handle a major task like preparing for an important client meeting. To make this work smoothly, we first connect our essential daily tools, which include our calendar, Slack channels, and email accounts, directly to the system. Once these connections are active, we simply direct the assistant to our primary working folder, such as a meeting notes directory, and give it a clear, multi-step instruction. For instance, we can ask it to prepare us for an upcoming 1 o'clock call with a specific client by searching the calendar for the meeting details, researching the attendees, checking recent Slack threads about the account, and reviewing past meeting notes. To keep our documentation consistent, we also tell it to follow the exact format of the existing files in that folder to use as a template. Following that initial instruction, the assistant immediately builds a clear, structured plan mapping out every step we requested, from the calendar search to the Slack review, and then it gets straight to work on the list. A truly helpful feature of this setup is how it handles changes while the work is actively happening. In traditional chat tools, if we suddenly remembered an extra source of information, we would have to stop the action completely, wait for it to finish, or start the entire prompt over from scratch. With this system, while it is actively working, we can simply say to please check our email for any additional context on the account. The assistant adapts instantly mid-task, pivoting its focus to include the email search without breaking its stride or losing the work it already completed. Once the assistant finishes the job, we receive a completed agenda document along with a clear summary pointing out specific decisions to push for during the meeting, a main win to lead with, and a few watch items to keep in mind. The system also saves this full agenda directly into our working folder automatically. When we open up the file to review it, we can see that it carefully read our existing format and perfectly matched the structure, down to the bullet hierarchy and the exact headings for each section. It pulls the names of the attendees from the calendar, the background context from Slack, and the latest feedback found within our emails, leaving a clean, blank action items section ready for us to fill out during the live call. Moving forward from there, we might notice that the brief is missing a specific detail, such as a recent conversation about pricing. Instead of rewriting everything ourselves, we can simply tell the assistant to add the pricing update from last Tuesday's Slack thread because we know that topic will come up during the meeting. The system goes back, locates that specific thread, and smoothly folds the new details directly into the existing brief. This demonstrates the core handoff process, where the assistant does all the heavy lifting and research, but the final document remains completely ours to alter, own, and approve. In addition to handling these live, on-demand assignments, the system can also operate entirely on its own by running recurring tasks on a fixed schedule, while our attention is directed elsewhere. For example, we can instruct it to check a shared drive folder for the content team every single hour to see if any new documents were added or modified. We can tell it to note exactly who made the changes, summarize what is new, group those modifications clearly by client, and save that final summary as a new document inside our daily updates folder. When we give an instruction like this, the system drafts a formal proposal for a scheduled task that we can look over to make sure it understands the goal. While reviewing this proposal, we have full control to modify the details, such as adjusting the cadence of the task to run hourly, daily, on weekdays only, or to remain on manual trigger. When the settings look exactly the way we want them, we simply accept the proposal and the system creates a permanent scheduled task, placing it neatly on the scheduled page located on the left sidebar. From that point on, the task runs autonomously on its own, provided our desktop application remains open. Each separate run executes as a brand new session with completely fresh context, ensuring the assistant always draws from the absolute latest state of our files and connected tools. To keep these automated routines running smoothly, it's important to remember that our computer needs to stay awake and the desktop application must remain open for the schedule to trigger on time. If it happened that our computer was asleep or the application was shut down when a specific task was due, the system handles this gracefully by running the session the very moment we come back online, and it sends us a brief notification to let us know the run was delayed. From the main scheduled page, we retain the ability to review every single past run, edit the core instructions, alter the frequency, or even trigger a run instantly on demand. Every tool connector we have established is fully available for these automated routines, allowing the system to seamlessly fit into the natural flow of a standard busy workday. So far, this system provides a practical approach to managing our daily workload by splitting tasks into guided sessions and automated routines. We can actively steer the assistant through complex projects by providing real-time adjustments and extra context, or we can leave routine folder monitoring to run quietly on a set schedule. By allowing Claude Cowork to handle the tedious research and organization, our energy stays focused on critical decisions. And that's how you should boost your productivity. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe to get more videos like this.